You might think all brackets are the same, but when it comes to keeping your Ford suspension intact, cutting corners is the fastest way to disaster. We're looking at the genuine Ford parts bracket, spring, front, part number EOTZ-5775-H. This isn't the flashiest component you'll ever buy for your vehicle, but it's arguably one of the most critical pieces holding your front suspension geometry together. This bracket is a silent hero. It's designed specifically to manage the immense load and constant dynamic stress placed on the front spring assembly. When you pick this up, you immediately feel the quality. Weighing in at a solid 2 pounds, this component feels exactly like what you expect from OEM Ford: robust, heavy-duty, and built to handle decades of road abuse. The manufacturer, Genuine Ford Parts, ensures that the material composition and the welding tolerances match the original factory specifications perfectly. That's the real selling point here, especially when dealing with structural components. The problem with many aftermarket alternatives is that they often use slightly thinner gauge steel or, frustratingly, have mounting holes that are just a hair off. That slight misalignment means you're fighting the installation, potentially stripping threads, or worse, introducing stress points that lead to premature failure down the road. With the EOTZ-5775-H, you get that crucial peace of mind. Installation, while always a chore when dealing with suspension, is made significantly easier because the alignment is spot on. There's no fighting to get the bolts seated correctly. This bracket guarantees that the ride height and handling characteristics of your vehicle remain exactly as Ford intended when it rolled off the assembly line. It's designed to take the full load of the front spring assembly without flexing or fatiguing. If you are restoring a classic Ford or simply replacing a damaged component on your daily driver, spending the extra money for this genuine part is absolutely worth the investment. It guarantees the structural integrity and performance you need. This genuine Ford bracket is the definition of essential, uncompromising quality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.